Hey everybody, welcome back, and today we'll be doing something called Instance.New. So, create a script, load it up, delete the hello world, and we'll be doing an Instance.New script, so it's a local script, by the way. Well, not like a local script, but like a variable. So, local, call it whatever you want as the variable. Then you have to do Instance.New, which creates the pair brackets, and something you want to create, or any of these, they're all in like the object browser. Everything we want to create here, we can do like shirt graphic, and we can like put it on what we want. So I'll teach you that later, but first we're going to do part. Now this is creating a part, but we still have to put it where, so it wants a instance parent. We already put the string, now we need the parent, so we want to put it in the workspace. There we go, we got our variable. Now, we can edit the properties of that variable if it were like, let's say, a normal part, where you can just, I don't know, like, game.workspace.part. And then you can, like, and then do all that and make it anchored. But this is different, where it spawns in after. Okay, it cannot be before it, or it will not work. So, if we put it like, I don't know, let's do the position equals vector3.new. Let's put it in the middle, shall we? 30 up, 0. This will position it in the air. So the vector3 will position in the air. As you can see, right here, it's not anchored, of course, but put it right here. But if we don't, then we just put an instance, well, it won't spawn because we're not calling it. So if you put this behind the variable, it has an error. You even see the line in the script because it reads from 1 and down, and you can't read the script from 2 if the variable is at 4. So yeah, see, workspace script tends to index nil with position, but what part's in that position? Let's take it back. Let's put it back where it was, and let's edit the properties. New part dot size. How should we do this? Let's put it 5 by 5 by 5. And let's anchor it, shall we? Anchored equals true. Run it, and lo and behold, it's 5 by 5 by 5, as you can see in the size, and it is anchored. Now let's put it into a part. Let's go add a part, and let's put it right here. Let's name it, this is the parent part. Go in the script, and now we gotta put the instant parent in there. So we got game.workspace dot this is the parent part. So if we load the part, the object that we were inserting will go into this part. See? Now this parent part is now the parent of this singular part. This singular part. So this is where you want to put it. I don't know, let's put it in like, let's say, let's put in the server storage. Game.server storage. This is where it's going to parent it. Server storage. Right here, the part. Let's take it out to the workspace. It's right here into the workspace. Alright, and screw it, let's mess with more properties. let's part dot transparent equals vector 3. Just gonna do this real quick because just love messing with things. Nah, we just need to put that. I'll put like 0.8. That's basically everything I just need to teach you for today. Well, see you guys later in the next video. Goodbye.